All right, guys, so we have the word technology here. And what we can do is we can actually find out what this word means just by looking at the word parts. So if we look at the word technology, we'll kind of see that we see two different words inside of this word. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the name out. So we're going to write technology. All right, already out, and we're going to break this into two different words. And how we're going to do this is we're going to draw a vertical line right through, and what you see here is we see the word techno, and ology. So we're going to go ahead and just draw a thick line right through the middle of it. All right, and if you see where we're doing this, you'll notice this is just below our STEM vocab on page 2. Page 2, just below STEM. All right, STEM vocab. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look up what these words actually mean. All right, and so there is a website called Etymology Online, and I don't want you to go there right now, but this is where I'm getting my information, getting my information from. And actually, that's a website. Actually, the website I went to was one that is put up by the University of Oregon State. And so what techno actually definition is, and this comes from the Greek, and this is to have a craft of a craft or an art ability, and to do something, and where something is actually gained. So we almost see that the definition of this, I'm going to write it down here, is, all right, the craft of something that helps you gain. So anytime you see anything with the it's actually techni. I'm not sure the pronunciation is actually spelled with an E after the N in the Greek. And then, so in this word, that's where this part of the word comes from. It means the craft of something. And by craft, not necessarily thinking about like arts and crafts, the craft of doing something with your hands. And that might help us a little bit as well. And the ology actually comes from the Greek word logos, which we come to know as the study of. So we can write the study of, and we see that a lot in biology, technology. Your ologies are usually the study of something. Geology it would also mean. So the study of something. All right, so how do we put these together? Well, technology is really just the craft of something you gain, right? The making of something that helps you gain, that helps you, makes your life better, improves your life, and the study of. So the technology really is, it's just the study of when things are made that helps you. And if we look up to what the actual definition of technology is, it is the use of scientific knowledge to create, to craft something that improves your life, right? That helps you gain. All right, and so by knowing these word parts, it can help us understand our definitions a little better. So good job with your first, all right, your first word study of a word using etymology.